Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm making fried rice. Yes guys, if you want to know how I achieved this delicious fried rice, stay tuned guys. Here is the stock water I'm gonna use for this fried rice. Yes guys, and this is my rice. I'm using basmati rice. Yes, president. So, and this is my 3 white men pepper, paprika, and my carrots, fresh carrots. Okay guys, what I'm going to do is to wash my rice with a warm water. Yes. So at this moment I'm just boiling it. I'll just add on to my curry. So here is my curry powder. Just add my curry powder to my taste. Yes, and that is enough. So right now I'm gonna cover it to cook, to boil before I start adding the rice. So be slicing these spring onions. Yes, I'm going to slice it. So stay tuned. I don't want this video to be too long, so for that reason I'm gonna skip where I'm cutting it. So I'm gonna cut all the vegetables I need. So continue watching guys. So right now we're gonna check our meat sauce. Stock water please. So right now I'm gonna add my rice inside. Yes guys, you can see how my rice is looking. It's already washed and clean. So I'm just going to add it up to the pot to boil. Actually this is not the pot I'm going to use for the fried rice. I'm only just using it to make it parboiled. Yes, so keep watching. Here is my spring onions. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to add it up with fresh onions because I like using fresh onions for my fried rice. And here is all the veggies I'm gonna use. It's already washed, sliced and clean. So you can see, if you noticed, the veggies is a little bit bigger because I'm making pepper meat, so I want to use a part of it. So I just cut everything at the same time and add it up. So keep watching guys. And this is the onions I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna chop it now. I'm gonna wash it, slice it. So keep watching. So guys, my parboiled fried rice is ready, and you can see how it's looking. One thing I like about this rice is that when you parboil it, no matter how the water is, the rice will still be warm, as in it will not be sticky. You can see how it's looking, and it's always very nice for fried rice, you see. So it's not that a soft rice, you know, that is why they call it president. It's for special people. Okay guys, but not that anybody cannot eat it too, if you can afford it. Yeah, so keep watching. What I'm going to do my pot, what I'm going to do next is to add up. I don't know how bright. Okay, I think it's a little bit brighter now. Just add some vegetable oil, any oil, cooking oil of your choice. Just add it inside. Yes guys, and let it heat up a bit. So Guys, the next thing I'm gonna do now is to add up my curry powder. I will add some curry powder inside the oil. Yes, then add small amount of thyme. Yes, so I'm gonna add ginger and garlic. Actually, it's optional, but I like adding ginger and garlic to my fried rice. It gives it one special taste I love so much. So here is the ginger and garlic. Just add it inside and give it a good stir. So I'm gonna give it a good stir. Yes guys, then after then I will add all my veggies. I'm not adding step by step veggies. I will just add everything and let it fry a little bit. So here are the chopped veggies, onions, carrots, what have you, everything. So just add it inside and fry. So guys, after I have added everything together, I will just give it a good stir. Yes, I will stir it for highest 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Then add my fried rice. Adding the parboiled rice. Yes. Don't forget, as this process is going on right now, I'm making it on a low heat, so that it doesn't get burnt. I will add in my dry pepper. So that is a black pepper. I will still add in some red dry pepper. So here is my red pepper, dry pepper. So the next step is to add my seasoning, and that is all. So as usual, you all know the kind of Maggi I eat. Yes, this is Maggi chicken and this is Maggi cow ground. So I will just add it together. Salt is optional, but I will add here a little bit of salt. So I'll just add according to my taste. Because there is salt in the stock water, so that it doesn't get too salty. My husband don't eat salt, and I too don't eat salt too. So I will now add a little bit of salt. So sorry guys. So here is the salt I'm gonna add and give it a good stir. Then after stirring, I will test for the seasoning and start adding my rice. Stay on a low heat. So the seasoning is okay to my taste. So right now is to add up my parboiled fried rice. Okay, it's not yet fried, just to add it up. My parboiled rice, and keep, once I add, I stir. Oh, the aroma in this fried rice is something else, looking so delicious already. So this is how I'm gonna do until the whole rice is finished from this pot. I'm gonna add all the whole rice inside, so keep watching guys. I don't want it to get burnt, that is why I'm doing it this way. Okay, so guys, right now at this moment you can see how lovely. Actually I supposed to add green beans and sweet corn, but I don't used to fry it. And I noticed one thing, that my green beans is finished, and I I didn't notice it sometimes, so I'll just do away without green beans. But it would have been lovely if I have my green beans inside this fried rice. So if you have green beans for this recipe, that will not be bad. So guys, because why I don't want to fry this sweet corn, because it's already soft. Okay, so there is no need of frying it. I'll just put it in there and leave it to steam just a little bit, and it's ready. So right now my fried rice is ready. I'm gonna dish this out now with pepper gizzard. I don't want to add it inside the fried rice. I want to make it a pepper gizzard so that I will enjoy it. This is how I want to prepare it for this Christmas. So keep watching. Let's dish together. Oh my goodness. Honestly, this is so lovely. I love this fried rice. You can see how yummy and delicious it's looking. So, wow. Oh, guys, this is lovely. This is amazing. It was fun making this dish. It was fun making this fried rice. You can see how delicious it's looking. So fun cooking it. It tastes fun. In fact, I can't explain it. So guys, I believe I've come to the end of this video, guys. So tell me that you don't love what you see or what you are seeing.
Yo.